So for 12, it's not a trinomial. It's not like this. So I'm just going to check for a GCF to start. So the GCF of 12 and 28 would be 2? No. Something bigger than 2. 4? Yeah, 4. Okay. If you're factoring out just a GCF, you solve it the same way. I only have one set of parentheses. I just have to solve for this. So I would get 3x, x equals negative 7/3. So if it's not a trinomial, you're only going to look for a GCF, and then this is not difference of squares, so I just get my one answer. For number 13, factor out a GCF. What multiplies to 12 and adds to negative 7? 3 and 4. And then when you solve it, set all your parentheses equal to 0. So I get x equals positive 4, x equals positive 3. Number 14, check for a GCF. I think it's 3. And then now that I pulled out a GCF, this is difference of squares. So I can go one step farther. So this being difference of squares, I can do 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. And then both sets of parentheses, this would give me negative 2/3. This would give me positive 2/3. So when you go to factor, always look for a GCF to start. And then if it's a trinomial, you have to do that whole what multiplies to the back adds to the middle. If it's a binomial, check to see if it's difference of the squares. If it's not, then you're just going to have that set of parentheses to deal with.